Hello everyone and welcome. I came up with a new idea for a game I want to make. The story is about an alien called Opal, who makes an emergency landing with his spaceship on the planet called Earth. And in the emergency landing has to drop his power supply to land lightly and safely. You automatically start at the spaceship area. The goal is to find the spaceship control connector, which is located somewhere in the spaceship itself, to be able to leave the spaceship, and then grab the holo map to locate the power supplies. The time zone is around medieval time. To fly back he needs to collect power supplies for his spaceship, which are glowing stones. These supplies are scattered all around the map, in different areas, as you will be able to locate them on the holographic map. Opal will have to collect them all to have enough power supply to travel back with his spaceship to his own planet. To get inside certain areas, you will need keys to enter, or do quests, like for example, get back the king his golden sword from the bandit's place. If you have any suggestions or ideas, feel free to share them with me. Thanks for watching.